Hello friends, so today's video is about a small device which would help to make your car a lot more safer out on the roads. So I am just going to unbox this small device. Let's have a look. So I brought this thing from the Amazon for a cost of $5.49. I hope you can see this. Yes, $5.49. 4 units. So let's keep this thing aside. Okay, let's put it on one side. And so this is the device. Its name is, I hope you can, Destello. जो दिखेगा वो मिलेगा. More than 1 lakh happy customers. Thank you for the purchase of this product. So they are giving installation method right here. So yes, friends. So if you are wondering what this thing is, so it's written car door warning light. Before I open up this packet, let me tell you a few things about the need for this electronic device. Now, most of the premium cars out there have already got this premium built in. When you open your door, there would be a red light right inside the door, which will light up and telling the traffic coming from behind you that you are opening your door, and that's thus making it safer for you and for the oncoming traffic. So this device basically tells the others on the road that you are opening your car door, so beware, like that. So friends, this is a much needed feature in every car out on the road, but unfortunately right now we are having this feature in premium cars only. Budget cars and economy cars, they all miss this feature. So thankfully this kind of device is available in the market. You can buy from outside. I bought this brand, Destello, and you can fix it on your car door. Now let's open up. Ouch. Okay. So there are some stickers here. We will look into the installation guide, and we will know these things. So this is the electronic device. So they are already having the sticker. That's a pair of extra stickers. So let's read the manual. So this is the installation guide. Insert the battery into the circuit. Now clean the position. Want to stick. Insert the battery into the circuit board. Put the circuit board into the light. Heat the gum 3S with a hair dryer. Stick the gum on the back of the light. Stick the light on the vehicle door with the same method. Then stick the magnet on the door frame. where is corresponding of the light finish, or you having problem?